Imagine you have a grandfather like me who wears awesome shirts like this with bicycles. Or you have a very small kid who wore this dress that is so incredibly cute. Or you have like the coolest pants ever with flames and dragons. And you love those garments because they remind you of the good times and of good people in your life and people who make you feel good and powerful. But then either the clothes break so they cannot wear them anymore, or maybe the kids grow up and he cannot possibly fit in this anymore because he's a teenager now. Or what if maybe, God forbid, you lose a person, but you still have clothes of them as a memory. What can you do with that? Because this dress holds great memories of childhood, of children and playing around, but if it's just in a closet, that memory isn't really with you from the day-to-day life. So wouldn't it be nice if there is a way you can take those memories with you and to have those memories with you in your day-to-day life? Well, that is very possible. Because I have a coaster here made with quilt techniques with my own hands, which remind me of the good times, because there's stuff of my childhood in it. So every time when I drink a cup of tea and I put down the cup on the coaster, I am reminded of those good times. Or when I am having a very scary presentation, I secretly take this one with me in my pocket and I'm reminded of how powerful I am because I made something with my own hands. So to help you to also retain memories in an object you can use, I have something for you. It's called a taste of quilting, because you do this with quilting techniques. And in that class I will teach you in 8 short modules how to make one of those objects to retain memories yourself. It's very doable for somebody who has never sewn before, and if you sew every day for 30 minutes, it will be done in 2 weeks. And there's a community also to help you to get this done, so you don't have to fear like you get stuck. I will help you on your journey to make whatever awesome clothes you have into something that will hold the memory in a way you can use it. Check my website to find out more.